I'm an immigration attorney, and today we're going to be talking about the K1 Fiancé visa versus a CR1 marriage visa. Now, we've done thousands of each of these, and in almost all cases, you must choose one or the other, and it's not really a choice. It's based on the exact situation that you're in. So, if you are already married, then you will be doing a marriage-based petition. Your spouse is no longer your fiancé, therefore the fiancé visa does not apply to you. If you are not already married, but yet you've met in person and meet the other requirements for a fiancé visa, then a fiancé visa is going to be the route that you're going to take. The only people that really have a choice in the matter are ones that are going to be seeing their fiancé soon and are deciding whether to get married or not in your fiancé's country in most situations. So, that being said, the fiancé visa is going to be that you've met in person but have not yet married. That process generally takes about 8 months as of the making of this video. The marriage visa is for somebody that is already married. That process is going to take typically 10 months and sometimes a little bit more to bring your spouse to the United States. If you're only a permanent resident, then only the marriage visa is available to you. And it does take longer. It's upwards of about 2 years at this point to bring your spouse over if you're not a U.S. citizen. Okay, so there are some advantages and disadvantages to each. The fiancé visa, as mentioned, is a bit faster. In the short run, it costs you a little bit less. Disadvantages would be once they get here to the United States and you marry within the first 90 days, you do need to file for the green card or permanent residency. There is a cost attached to that. The advantage being that your fiancé is going to be here a little bit sooner and you will be able to finish this process within the United States. The advantages to the marriage-based petition are that there is no green card filing or permanent residency filing following their entry into the United States. The reason it takes a little bit longer is because it is a true immigrant-based petition, whereas technically the fiancé visa is a non-immigrant-based petition. Because of this distinction, it does take a little bit longer for an additional agency to review all the documentation that we've submitted and make a determination as to whether you're qualified or not to do the marriage-based petition. The disadvantage, quite frankly, is that in the short run, it does cost a little bit more to do a spousal petition, though in the long run, of course, it does not. The other disadvantage, of course, is time. It does take approximately 2 or 3 months longer to do a marriage-based petition as opposed to a fiancé-based petition. Either one, though, is a great solution to bring a loved one to the United States, and we can help with either. As I previously mentioned, we've done thousands of each with over a 99% approval rate. As each situation is unique, I encourage you to do your research. You can do so online at lawofficeimmigration.com. More so, though, I'd encourage you to give a call in. We'd be happy to consult with you at no charge to see what it is you're qualified for, to talk about the costs associated with each, and to start moving it forward in a positive direction so that you and your loved one can start living your lives together in the United States. Appreciate you watching, and again, if you have any questions, call us at 888-902-9285. Thanks.